Site123 website builder complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on site123.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, of course, you need to create an account or log into your account on this website. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. So next you will be able to begin, and you need to choose website type here. First of all, you can choose just website or online store or blog or landing page. So just for an example, let's choose this one, simply website, and here you need website category. For example, you can make a CV website, or maybe car rental, or just online shop something. So just for this video, just for an example, I'm gonna choose a CV and website name. For example, just easily let CV, my name, and website description optional. You can tell something about your business. So I'm gonna type resume. Open a website, and now we need to wait a bit until everything loads. I'm gonna pause, and now everything is ready. We can continue. We can start building website. So first of all, pages, of course, I need to check this out. You have several pages, and you can delete some of them like this, for example promo, or you can add new page, or you can edit pages here. For example, testimonials or services, also delete, and can add new page like this. We have about, contact, events, testimonials, team, services, features, a lot of features. So also you can type your query here. So next you can work with design, you can work with colors, fonts, header, footer especially. So header is the first section here, if you don't know, and footer is the last section. Colors, can change colors, every color in this website. Have a lot of options here. You can choose your own color here. So basically very easy to edit these styles, you know. Fonts also. Next, settings, you can set some things. You can change the name and logo of your website, and size and type of your website, single page, multi-page, landing page, website language also. And let's begin to edit content. So first of all, for example, if you want to edit something, the method is always the same. Just click on content you want to edit. For example, this text, select this text, and you can delete this text and write whatever you want easily. For example, please hire me. Also with any text, and for example background here, just type, choose image, and you can upload an image from your computer, or you can use stock images by this website. It's free. For example this one, and no, okay, just for example this one, resume, here save. And yes, as you can see, the pictures here, the website offers us pictures, is very suitable, you know. So The same about next this picture here. Just click on this picture and you can edit it or you can replace it. Also with this text, as I already showed you, and also you can not only replace this text, and you can just delete this text, and you can work with this text. You can change colors of this text, underline, bold, italic, whatever you want, strike through. And you can also, for example, change layouts, of course, like this. You can see you have plenty of options and every option is really good looking. And also you can add some buttons, for example, here buttons, and you can add first button, read more, or you can edit it and, for example, type I don't know, view more, or join us, subscribe, whatever you want. Here you can have settings, advanced, size of button, whatever. Next, you can also change background colors here, near to layouts button, this gear, and you can change background colors like this, and layout box color also. And change the size a little bit. And also this one. Next, you can change sections, placement of sections like this. You can move it down or move it up. For example, you want to have testimonial sections in the end, and you can just move it down. Or you can even delete the whole section, for example, contact section, or this section, doesn't matter. You can delete it like this, just click one button. And of course, you can edit header and footer. For example, you want to edit this menu, you need to edit header section, just click edit, and you will have a bunch of functions to edit. And of course, you have undo and redo buttons, and when you're done editing your website, you can just click publish to go live with your website and upload it. So, are you sure you want to publish? Yes. And you need to choose a domain here and publish it just like this. So, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you like this video. As you can see, the entire interface of the site is very clear to any user, so I recommend you to try this by yourself. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon.